All right, Jersey Jaguar, back at you another video, and I got 10 items here that's gonna help maximize your jersey collection. Each of these items got their own function. Let's get to them now. All right, my first item is going to be OxiClean Max Force. Guys, it's cheap and I use it for the vast majority of the stains on my jerseys. It works great. You can find it at Walmart and some other stores. Go get you some. All right, and item number 2 is going to be a medium to soft bristle toothbrush. It could be any toothbrush. Guys, I like to use these to help scrub the stains out of jerseys. It works wonders, especially when you combine it with the OxiClean Max Force. All right, and item number 3 is going to be a can of VLR. Guys, when I have adhesive left over from ghosting, I use this and it does wonders with it. I also use it to get adhesive off on other parts of the jersey if needed. It works better than acetone, guys. I recommend it. It's a little bit expensive and it definitely is strong, so wear a mask and gloves when you use it. All right, and item number 4 is going to be one of my most used products, and that is a handheld steamer. Guys, this one is a CONAIR Turbo Extreme Steam. It works great. I use it to remove ghosting. I use it to get wrinkles out of the jerseys. I use it to help lift adhesive if needed. Guys, having a steamer in your jersey collection is going to definitely help you in the long run. 5. Another beneficial way of removing wrinkles is going to be with an iron. This one is an iron with steam capability. It is a ROWENTA iron. Guys, it works great. Get you a decent iron. It really helps when trying to get creases out of jersey numbers and a bunch of other stuff. 6. All right, guys, item number 6 is gonna help tidy up your jersey. This is a fuzz and pile remover. It will remove piles off of jerseys and remove snags off of jerseys. Guys, this works great. Always be careful when using it though, because you can damage your jersey if you're not careful. But from my experience, I had great success with them. You can get them on Amazon. They're semi-cheap. You could get it corded, or you could get one like this that doesn't have a cord. 7. All right, and next to help tidy up the jersey again, at number 7, we are going to have a thread snipper. Guys, they snip threads and fraying. Great item to have in your collection once again. 8. All right, and at number 8, we have a seam ripper and or an EXACTO knife. Guys, I use both of them to strip my jerseys and to strip patches, etc. They do great work. You just gotta be careful with either one that you use. 9. All right, and next we have a measuring tape. I recommend a measuring tape over a tape measure, a ruler, or a yardstick. There's more flexibility, more you can do with it. Guys, you can measure the fonts on your jerseys, the pit-to-pit size, the top-to-bottom size. For yourself, you can measure your arm length for the jersey, your waist, your chest size. Guys, having a measuring tape is definitely essential to have in your jersey collection. They're very cheap. Get you one if you don't have one. 10. All right, and finally, we got some space-saving hangers. Guys, I recommend space-saving hangers over regular hangers, wire hangers, etc. They save space, they fit good with the jerseys, and you're able to put a lot of jerseys next to each other and not have it be too cluttered. I recommend you go get some. And hopefully you found this video some use. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to ask.
I'd appreciate a like and subscribe.
Guess what? I'll see you at the next one.